Understanding Parallel Processing in SAP S/4HANA Finance. Introduction. SAP S/4HANA Finance, the next generation enterprise resource planning (ERP) suite developed by SAP, brings with it a myriad of technological advancements to enhance performance and efficiency. One such crucial feature is parallel processing, a method that significantly accelerates data processing tasks. We will delve into the concept of parallel processing and its implications within the realm of SAP S/4HANA Finance. Parallel processing. Parallel processing is a computing paradigm where multiple processors or cores work simultaneously to execute a task. In the context of SAP S/4HANA Finance, this involves breaking down complex financial calculations and data processing into smaller, manageable tasks that can be executed concurrently. By distributing the workload across multiple processors, parallel processing harnesses the power of parallelism, resulting in faster and more efficient data processing. How does parallel processing work in SAP S/4HANA Finance? SAP S/4HANA Finance leverages the in-memory computing capabilities of the SAP HANA platform to achieve parallel processing. SAP HANA is designed to perform various processes in parallel, like analytical joins. Combining data from multiple tables simultaneously enhances reporting and data analysis speed. Data scans. Scanning large datasets across multiple cores ensures faster data retrieval and analysis. Aggregations. Calculating sums, averages, and other summaries across data points can be distributed among multiple cores for quicker completion. Benefits of parallel processing in SAP S/4HANA Finance. Performance improvement. Parallel processing significantly improves the overall performance of financial processes within SAP S/4HANA Finance. By leveraging multiple processors, tasks that would traditionally take a considerable amount of time can be completed in parallel, leading to faster execution times. Scalability. SAP S/4HANA Finance is designed to handle massive volumes of financial data. Parallel processing enables the system to scale effortlessly by distributing workloads across available processors. This ensures that as the volume of financial transactions increases, the system remains responsive and efficient. Optimized resource utilization. Parallel processing optimizes the utilization of hardware resources. Instead of relying on a single processor to handle complex calculations, the workload is distributed across multiple processors, maximizing the efficiency of the underlying hardware infrastructure. Enhanced user experience. With faster data processing times, end users experience improved system responsiveness. Complex financial reports and analyses can be generated swiftly, empowering finance professionals to make informed decisions in real time. Advanced analytics and reporting. Parallel processing in SAP S/4HANA Finance plays a crucial role in supporting advanced analytics and reporting capabilities. Complex financial analysis, simulations, and scenario planning benefit from the accelerated processing power, allowing organizations to derive valuable insights from their financial data. Challenges and considerations. While parallel processing offers significant advantages, it is essential to consider potential challenges, such as the need for a robust infrastructure capable of supporting parallel execution and the intricacies of designing tasks for parallelization. Conclusion. In conclusion, parallel processing in SAP S/4HANA Finance stands as a pivotal technological advancement, revolutionizing the way financial data is processed and analyzed. The benefits of improved performance, scalability, resource utilization, and enhanced user experiences position parallel processing as a cornerstone in the evolution of ERP systems, ensuring that organizations can efficiently navigate the complexities of financial management in the digital age.